name is Brian Moore. I'm owner at Renew Automotive Services. Got a 2015 Hellcat Charger. Picked it up from a local dealership here in 2016. Had roughly 6,000 miles on it, and the car was maybe stock for 30 days, and that's when the modding started. Yeah, it's been this crazy endeavor I've taken on. Started out, like I said, stock. After about 30 days, installed a nitrous outlet kit on the car. Ran 100 shot of nitrous through the car for probably 6 months. Had a lot of fun with it. Very consistent on the drag strip, but was tired of filling nitrous bottles. So that's when I hooked up with Kurt over at Dusterhoff Tuning. And that's when we just decided to take it to the next level, doing his upper pulley, lower pulley, injector, E85 package. And that car has been very dialed in, very consistent since we went down that path. Kurt's services has been great because primarily everything's been done remote, which is with today's technology is just very convenient. The way we actually work is I will log the car through my laptop, save that file, send it over to him. In very short order, I get a revision back from him. We're communicating, he's asking me questions. Hey, what's the car doing? What do we need it to do? Those types of things based on the events I'm racing. So, I mean, he's there every step of the way, which again is what's allowed me to be able to set records with this car and be very consistent at the drag strip. The car now, the way it's set still, is where I wanted it to be, which was a street car. I mean, the car is full interior. I put my family in it, take them to church in it. It's just a wild ride, but it is a full street car. And that was always my goal, was to have a fun street car, a head turner. I could take it to the drag strip with a full interior, cut an 8-second quarter mile, and drive it home if I wanted to. And again, with Kurt's help, that's what we've been able to do. You know, my relationship with Kurt and the ability, or the fact that he was able to give me what I wanted and the ability he's had to really tune this car and get it dialed in is, again, head and shoulders above the rest.